Encountering an SSL certificate error on a website? This tutorial will walk you through quick and effective steps to troubleshoot and resolve SSL issues in no time. Right-click on the date and time in the taskbar and select Adjust Date and Time. Ensure the date and time settings are correct and set to automatic. If needed, disable automatic settings and manually adjust the date and time using the Change button. Verify the time zone settings are correct. Open the search menu and type Internet Options. Select Internet Options from the results. Go to the Security tab and click Trusted Sites. Select the Sites button and enter the domain of the website you want to trust, for example, google.com. Click Add and then Close. In Internet Options, navigate to the Advanced tab. Scroll down to the Security section. Temporarily uncheck Check for Publisher Certificate Revocation and check for Server Certificate Revocation. Click Apply and then OK. If adjustments do not work or you want to revert changes, reset the settings to default. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.